What you're about to see is not OSHA approved. When you're doing work on your motorcycle, it's advisable to wear pants and regular shoes, maybe steel-toed shoes, not flip-flops. But hey, you know, I just needed to do some maintenance. I was just winging it, but I'm okay. So here I'm inspecting and taking apart my steering bearings. It's the first time I've ever done it. It's not a hard job. I had already taken everything off, the wheels, forks, handlebars, brakes. As I'd taken everything off, I realized, they're dry. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're not supposed to be dry, you know. So after inspecting it, I realized, yeah, there is a little pitting in there. I probably need to change out the race and the bearings. And, it would probably be a good idea. The bearings are also a little bit loose. But hey, you know what? I don't have extra bearings, okay? I was hoping just to, re-grease them, put them back, everything will be cool in the 10,000 miles. No such luck. So it turns out all I'm really going to do is put them back. Yeah. I had some other bearings ordered. I'm waiting for them to come. When I get them, I'll replace them. But until then, I'd like to ride the bike. So basically, I'm just going to re-grease them, repack them with grease, put them back, adjust everything, and we're good to go for a while. At least for the next couple of weeks until I get the new bearings in. And then I'll put new races and new bearings in there, and everything will be fine with the world. Or at least my bike. How do you like my leopard skin throw cloth, huh? You know, I didn't want to buy something. It was out in the garage. It covered and protected my tank. Hey, it works. I also used it to protect some other stuff while I'm grinding. You know, one day it'll probably catch on fire, but it hasn't yet. So I packed the bearings, putting everything back together. I'm not going to show the whole process. It took a while. I was bored, doing other things while I'm doing it too. Hey, this is nothing I'm getting paid for. I'm just fixing my own stuff. Okay, taking it for a test ride. Change the oil, change the transmission oil. Everything seems good. The steering seems fine. Seems absolutely fine. Maybe I don't need to buy new bearings. A little pitting, maybe that's helpful. Yeah, I don't think so. I have new bearings on the way. I will be replacing them. But everything seems fine. Riding this Super Glide is way different than riding my hardtail. There's not even an inkling of power compared to my hardtail. But hey, what can I do? It's definitely a lot more comfortable. I say that for sure. Shifting into first, going into neutral, it's still kind of difficult, maybe a little clunking. I have to figure that out. I think it might be the compensator, and when I turn it off, it clunks too. So we'll have to look at that too. Other than that, if I can just get it into first gear and take off correctly, hey, it seems to be working great. hadn't rode in this in a little while, so it was a little different. I need to change the primary fluid and readjust the clutch. It's a little funky, but I'll get her done. As usual, I'm just waiting on parts to arrive. Some came quick, some take weeks. All I know, it's early morning, the sun's up, hasn't started raining yet. Everything is good with my world. Yeah, the only thing I could think about right now, some donuts, some glazed donuts. Oh yeah. I think I'm just gonna turn around and head back. Oh, make the turn. Ah, wow, that was a really wide turn. Yeah, I gotta get used to this bike and the other bike. They both ride totally different. And you know what? Over here on the right behind this gas station, I know there's a donut place. Never been there. I gotta go one of these days. Just to try out their donuts. See what they got. Anyway, the bike seems to be running good. A little clunkety clunkety, but hey, a few adjustments here and there, everything will be fine. A little more maintenance. Basically just doing the $30,000 or $30,000. What? That would be cool. No, 30,000 mile maintenance. Found a few issues, but fixing them all. Everything seems to be good. Everything's tight. Nothing's going to fall off. So I think that's about it. Haven't really been riding. It's been raining. It's probably going to rain this afternoon. And it's going to be a drag because I'm not going to be able to go on a long ride. That's all right. Until next time.